Install the pulley holding fixture to the block and secure the screws. Align the crankshaft pulley to the pin, then install the pulley. Align the special tool to the pulley and holding fixture. Then install and secure the screws. Install the left-hand thread crankshaft screw by rotating it counterclockwise. Torque to the specification indicated in the workshop manual. Remove the special tool from the crankshaft pulley. Remove the holding fixture from the block. Align and install the belt to the driven components. Position the stretch belt tool on the crankshaft pulley, with install remaining visible and facing away from the pulley. Slowly rotate the crankshaft counterclockwise while keeping the belt aligned with all pulleys. Remove the stretch belt tool when procedure is finished.